Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Lucky your laptop's a bendy one.
Are you guarding my mouse, baby?
You got to learn to place your laptop or put some barbed wire across it.
Well, it's locked. It's fine.
Yeah, if he, depending on how he set it down, he could have smashed your monitor.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah, he's lost weight. He's not that big anymore. Hey, baby, you look so pretty. But you shouldn't be on the table. I know. You know that I need to use it, hey? You know I need to use it. You're taking over the house, aren't you? Are you taking over the house, baby?